What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and installing this new product from HiBoost. This is their Traveler 3.0 Explorer X cell phone booster for overland and off-roading use. So big thanks to HiBoost for sending me this unit so I can test it out on my rig. Check out what's inside the box. So first off, you got these. And of course, you have your user manual for vehicle, Explorer X. It looks like this is the extension for the antenna, the actual booster here. You have your indoor, you got your DC in, outdoor USB, and looks like you have some Velcro with adhesive and some zip ties and 3M tape. And here it looks like this is the I think this is the one that will hold the antenna once you fold it down. And under the box, you have this mounting bracket for some round rack. If you have like a rounded basket, roof rack, this is going to be the attachment for it. And this is the main base plate for the antenna booster. So the good thing about these, you could actually turn it this way, fold it this way, so it has a 180-degree angle that you can fold your antenna. And of course, this is the actual antenna right here with its cord cable. We also got some, it looks like these are some adhesive pads. I don't know yet what is this for, but also got some hardwares here. You have your bolts and nuts. And of course, you have your 12-volt cigarette lighter plug or power supply that you can plug into your 12-volt adapter. And you also have your pretty much your indoor antenna that you can mount inside the vehicle. Okay, so pretty much we have all the parts here. So let's go ahead and try to install it and see how it works. And then I'm gonna start mounting this base plate. I'm going to show you what I did. So I did mount those two L brackets that I had. This is the one that I cut, and so you can see this is the base plate for the antenna. So you can easily pull this one here and swivel it. So when I'm not using the antenna, it's going to be pointed that way. You can swivel it up, and you can even swivel it this way here. We are going to go ahead and install these. So we're going to assemble the antenna. So it looks like this one would actually go all the way here with a cable. Pull it out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and turn these. Make sure it's tight. And we have this attachment here, so the wire or the cable will go inside and it will go out this way. So we're going to go ahead and line it up. I'm going to screw it in, and then we have the spring loaded, so this one will go here at the bottom. So we have this one piece antenna here, and you also have this attachment, and this is the one that we're going to put on the mount. Oh, and then now we're gonna install the actual antenna. So we're gonna use this attachment here. I believe it goes right there. And then we have the actual antenna here. So we're just gonna screw this on. And as far as my indoor antenna, I just run the cables on the side of the seat underneath, going pretty much all the way at the back. So I'm just gonna leave it right here. Whenever I don't need it, I'm just gonna keep it right on the inside the center console. So, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it right here. Okay, so the way I ran the cable, I just run it right here. So it's not the prettiest, but this is how I did it. So I had the cable running inside this panel here, and it pretty much goes on the side all the way at the bottom, or the actual booster underneath. So it's in there. I run the cable or the 12-volt right here because I have a 12-volt plug here at the back of the rack. So whenever I need it, I'm just gonna pretty much plug it in, turn it on, so I can use the booster. Yeah, so aside from that, you know, everything was so easy to install, and let's go ahead and give it a try to see how it works. Okay, so we are here at the place where I usually get 1 bar of signal strength. So we are going to turn on the HiBoost cell phone booster to see if it's gonna improve it. Okay, so now as you can see, after turning on the HiBoost cell phone booster, we are now getting 5 bars. Again, I would like to thank HiBoost for sending me this unit so I can test it out on my rig. If you guys want to get one for yourself, make sure to click that link down below, and you can use my code PAUL20 to get some extra savings with no additional cost to you. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video.